Hi everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your YNAB account. Keep watching the video till the end to log into your YNAB account. Firstly, open your YNAB application. The official page of YNAB will appear on the screen. Click on the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Now, to log into your YNAB account, enter your email address and password associated with your YNAB account. Then tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. You can also log into your YNAB account with the help of your Google or Apple account. This is how you can log into your YNAB account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.